Hello everyone, Elijah here, and welcome to another video from Financial Anatomy, the place where you can take control of your financial destiny. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Cash App and a recent feature that they've added. So what you're witnessing now is their very strange way of advertising that you can now send Bitcoin to anyone that you want, which is pretty awesome. So we're going to actually cover the procedure of how to send Bitcoin to someone. All you need is their cash tag, email address, or phone number, just like you would send money. So we're gonna go ahead and click on this try now button, which everyone got this animation, and this will actually take you directly to the place where you can send Bitcoin. But we're gonna back out and show you how to send it the traditional way, because this isn't gonna be here forever. Obviously, you got to know how to do this normally instead of having this button take you straight to it. So we're gonna back out of that screen and actually send money using the default method it was talking about, which is on the investing screen. So we're going to click on the little stock/Bitcoin icon at the bottom of the screen. You got to make sure you're on the Bitcoin tab, not the stocks tab. So click on Bitcoin, and now we see this little send icon. Going to click on that, and it says send and receive Bitcoin. Before withdrawing or depositing Bitcoin, you'll need to verify your identity with a valid ID. We're not actually doing that right now. We are just going to send Bitcoin to someone. So we're going to click send to Cash App user, and we're going to send $2 worth of Bitcoin. It's going to ask who do I want to send it to. I'm going to send it to one of my friends, and in the notes I'm going to say sending this for a video. I better get this back. Haha. And then I'm gonna click next. Then it's asking me to just confirm, but let's go over this information. So it's saying the amount, what's the current exchange rate, what's the US dollar equivalent, which is $2, how much he's gonna receive, and any fees, which in this case is gonna be 0, which is awesome. Then I'm gonna go ahead and press pay, and boom, I just sent $2 worth of Bitcoin to my friend. And it's really that simple, folks. I'm honestly surprised that Cash App has this ability now, but definitely not disappointed. It's a very useful feature. So if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell icon so you can be notified when another video drops, or when Bitcoin adds a new feature, as we see here. And if you haven't signed up for Bitcoin, if you're interested, you want to watch this video so you can see what features Bitcoin has to offer and find out how to sign up. This is Elijah with Financial Anatomy. I will catch you on the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.